So we came down to Stongdae village and यहाँ पे रहने के options नहीं
नहीं है,
है, हमने
apparently.
पूछा आसपास. जनरल स्टोर है एक जनरल स्टोर पे हमें पता करने के लिए बोला है. सो लेट्स जस्ट आस्क देम एंड देन लेट्स सी कि यहाँ पे कुछ रुकने के लिए मिलता है या नहीं मिलता है. एंड ऊपर है Stongdae गोम्पा.
Yes.
यहाँ से ये रहा. यस. सो विल चेक दैट आउट. ये तो यहाँ पर मंदिर है.
Wellness
And then there are
center.
kids.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think we're about to merge with the road.
हाँ. So अगर यहाँ कुछ नहीं मिला, so we know that Zangla तो for sure
हाँ.
homestays हैं. We'll go to Zangla then.
That's the plan.
Yeah, अभी हमने सिर्फ Stongdae गोम्पा एक बार देखना है कैसा है. and ऊपर
बहुत
से
high precipice पे है.
yes, and I'm pretty sure the view will be great, just like जैसा
खार.
हाँ जैसा जांगला खार से दिखता है. So yeah, let's check that out now.
Yeah, almost there's the road.
Oh yeah, there's the merge.
Yes.
So stay तो हमें नहीं मिला है कहीं पर भी, but yeah, this is the entrance Stongdae गोम्पा के लिए, and we are taking it.
Here we go, folks.
Yeah, this one goes to Leh and Zangla, and this one,
Stongdae Gompa.
yeah. Oh wow.
Nice. You see that on the top, on the right?
Oh yes.
There it is.
There.
ये मजा आने वाला है.
बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आने वाला है. इसीलिए तो आए हैं यहाँ.
Yeah.
We are almost there,
Yes.
and
Whoa,
look at the view.
Look at that. The houses in the valley are like dots now,
Yup,
and it's a lovely drive up here.
it is. It is. Look at this beautiful view.
Totally. Lush green,
Yup.
and the view into the valley. Right now it's obstructed by these trees.
We'll
पर
show
अभी
you.
ऊपर जब जाते हैं at the monastery,
Yeah.
वहाँ से तो expectations ज़्यादा high ना हो जाए, पर बहुत अच्छा होगा I'm sure.
Yes.
Let's go. Going to the Gompa. Stongdae Gompa. I think यही stairs हैं.
यहीं से है ऊपर.
लगता तो यही है. I'll just have a look and call you up.
Okay.
Looks rocky. Yeah, I can't be sure.
यहीं से चलते हैं.
आगे से देखते हैं.
Yeah.
आगे है. Yes. Okay, I think we're reaching the courtyard. Arey, arey.
Oh my
The
God.
view is gonna be one to die for. Fresh water की यहाँ कोई कमी नहीं. Look at this.
Yes.
Oh, you can see the entire Stongdae village, the fields, Sarap River, moving around like a sarp.
And look at those mountains,
Oh,
snow-clad
wow.
mountains.
This is once again Zanskar Valley at its best. Amazing.
Yeah. And thank you to that person who suggested us to, you know, check Stongdae out.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is amazing. यहाँ से ज़रा देखें.
Oh my God.
Oh, keeps getting better and better.
Oh my God.
Wow. Into the magical environs of the monastery. Feeling so blessed. Look at this. Wow.
Oh my God.
I know. Awe-inspiring. All right, here we go, folks.
Heavy.
This is a must-do. So peaceful.
I smell juniper.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
is juniper burning, which is a very popular incense in the mountains. In the Spiti region, the Lahaul region, Ladakh region, juniper ko sukhaye and then burn it in the house for a very holy ambience. That's quite a block over here. Looks newly built. Entering
see.
Stongde Gompa, everybody.
Stonde Gompan Monastery.
Thank you. First of all, exploring the Gompa firsthand. There are the murals.
Oh, wow. What
Okay,
are
what did you
these?
see? Let's see.
Okay, these are the caps यहाँ पर वो
Oh wow.
जो भी इनके इवेंट्स होते हैं जैसे जुलाई में होना
अच्छा,
है
oh.
they wear this. I guess so. Oh wait, come here. Look.
Oh boy, look at that.
Wow.
The mysticism of the mountains. Yeah, they've got skulls on all of them.
जुलाई में आना पड़ेगा.
Yes, there's a. I think the Dalai
The
Lama
festival.
is coming for
Yeah.
the festival. Yes.
Wow.
All right, let's see what else do we have.
This is locked, I guess. We have to open this.
Yeah. Wow.
I mean, beautiful is an understatement.
Is an understatement indeed. Here we are. Ah. Smells delectably of some very light incense, which is so calming for the senses. Interesting. Need to get close. Wow. This is very interesting.
A wonderful thing to behold is the Bhavachakra painted on the walls of Tibetan Buddhist temples. The Bhavachakra means the wheel of life. It's a very neat and curious illustration of samsara or cyclic existence. हमारा दुनिया में आना, फिर जाना और फिर आना. The circle is held in place in hands by a fierce figure who is Yama, the god of death. He also denotes impermanence, denoting the temporary nature of samsara. Outside the circle on the top right is the image of Buddha pointing at the moon. He is suggesting that it is possible to escape the cycle of life and death and the suffering of reincarnation by practicing the right karma. In the hub wheel are the three poisons represented by a pig, a snake, and a bird. The pig represents ignorance because it dwells in dirt and eats anything. The snake represents aversion or anger because it is provoked to attack easily, and the bird or rooster represents attachment because a rooster is very attached to its partner. In many images, the snake and the rooster appear to come out of the mouth of the pig, indicating the fact that ignorance gives birth to aversion and attachment. And the cycle goes on with the rooster, attaching its mouth to the tail of the pig. We create karma under the influence of these three poisons. The second layer is karma, which is in turn made of two half circles.
The lighter half circle shows contented people moving upward to higher states, possibly to higher realms. The other half circle, which is usually dark, shows people in a miserable state being led downwards to lower states. Whatever karma we create decides where we are born among the next 6 realms of samsara, which brings us to the third layer, the 6 realms of samsara. The 3 higher realms are God realm or Deva, demigod realm or Asura, and the human realm or Manushya. Finally, hell of course brings immeasurable suffering for eons of time. The 3 lower realms are animal realm, Tirga Yoni, hungry ghost realm, Preta Yoni, and hell realm, Narka. Animals suffer from attacks from fellow creatures and exploitation by humans. Pretas or hungry ghosts constantly suffer from extreme hunger and thirst. If they see water or food, it's only an illusion and it disappears the moment they get to it. If they do find something to eat or drink, it burns through their throats. Finally, hell of course brings a and gods enjoy pleasure, but they don't practice dharma, which exhausts the good karma that made them gods in the first place, leading to their death. The demigods or asuras enjoy deva-like pleasures but spend time fighting with devas due to jealousy and die in the process. The humans, as we know, suffer due to mind, body, and relations. But the Manushya realm is considered the most suitable for practicing dharma because we are neither consumed too much by pleasure or by pain. Finally, the outer rim or the 12 links represent the 12 nidanas. As discussed earlier, karma decides which realm we are born in. The 12 nidanas show in detail how this happens. अगर आपको भी ये wheel दिखे तो ज़रूर थोड़ा time spend करिएगा absorbing it and relating it to what you already know.
इस तरफ हैं ये सारे गॉड्स हैं,
हाँ,
ये सारे भगवान हैं.
ये हो गया मंदिर को ये जो रखवाला.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
अच्छा अच्छा ओके.
ये चार के जो कोने कोने जैसा ना साइड के नाम 6 बोलते हम लोग.
अच्छा
छो.
हर कॉर्नर्स में
कॉर्नर की तरह ऐसे साइड साइड के ना.
ओके.
हर कॉर्नर में एक गॉड है.
को रक्षा करने वाला.
अच्छा, प्रोटेक्टर्स जैसे.
प्रोटेक्टर्स है गुम्पा के है ना.
वाओ.
ये बुद्धा है जी इधर.
हाँ,
बढ़िया. और ये सारी चीज को मैं देख रहा हूँ, सारे चक्र को इसने पकड़ा हुआ है ऊपर.
इसको बोलते हम बोलते हैं छैजल बोलते हैं इसको. ये इसको आप लोग क्या बोलते हैं?
तो पीछे फोटो लगी है ना. इनमें ये सब पढ़ के, ये सारी स्क्रिप्ट्स पढ़ के बहुत ज़्यादा शक्ति है, तो ये उन्हीं का स्टैचू बना है.
ओह, ये जो है
हाँ.
इन्हीं का है.
हमारा शरीर है इसके अंदर.
अच्छा.
आपके इनके अंदर क्या है?
यही शरीर है.
इनका
अच्छा,
शरीर
इन्हीं का
है.
शरीर. ओह,
इसके अंदर है.
इसी स्टैचू में.
हाँ. इसमें मिट्टी बना के ऐसे रखा है.
अच्छा. पर मतलब इसी में ही इनकी शक्ति है, इस स्टैचू में. क्या बात.
जिस स्टैचू में इसी का शरीर है.
ओके.
और ये जो है
हाँ,
ये इतना
कृष्ण
सुंदर सा, ये स्तूपा बना है. क्या बना है?
ये हमारे भाषा में चौर्तन बोलता है.
चौटन.
हाँ,
हाँ,
चौटन.
चौटन. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
जो किसी गुजर जाएगा ना,
हाँ.
ये बनाता है.
अच्छा, कोई गुजरने, किसी गुजरने पर कैसे?
गुजरने पर हमारा मंत्र पड़ता है.
हाँ.
उसमें आता है ये बनो वो बनो.
अच्छा,
ओके.
बहुत बढ़िया. और ये बुक्स क्या है छोटे भाई इधर?
ये बुक्स पढ़ाई के लिए है.
पढ़ाई के लिए. अच्छा, सारा बुद्धिस्ट लिटरेचर है ये. बहुत बढ़िया. ये रूम बाद में बना है या इसको नया करा गया है? थोड़ा
थोड़ा नया करा गया है.
नया करा गया.
I just asked the same thing.
क्वेश्चन. हाँ, क्योंकि ये बड़ा मॉडर्न लग रहा है.
मॉडर्न, और वो नई लकड़ी की ना खुशबू आ रही है.
बहुत बढ़िया. और जो इधर है ये बुद्धा है सबसे इधर ग्रीन में. ये भी है. तो ये लामाज पढ़ते हैं ये जो सारी किताबें. So is it good or is it good?
See for yourself.
Okay. Ho ho. Boom.
I thought Zangla खार से जो व्यू दिखता है उसे कोई बीट नहीं कर सकता, but
But how wrong were we?
oh my god, this is village Stongde. down here.
All the green fields, yes.
Oof, it is so beautiful. It's like a painting.
That, and I feel like up on a helicopter or aircraft.
Yeah.
Let's show you the other side. Look at this. Oh, the whole stretch of the plateau. Oh, that's the highway down there. This is unreal. Oh.
This is unreal. And look at those snow-clad mountains.
Ah, yes. Let me zoom into those. All right, so here we are. This is the kitchen at Stongde Gompa. And would you believe it? We are all alone in the monastery right now, Scary and I. Very sweet of the lamas, very trusting, very caring. In fact, अभी ये आप देख रहे हैं सारा सामान पड़ा है यहाँ पर ये खाना पीना. There's rice, there's sabzi, there's dal, and there's a whole lot of tea in here for anybody to have a lifetime supply. Just kidding. So they left the place to us, and in fact, one of the lamas even showed up a little while ago, showed us the ropes कि क्या चीज़ कहाँ पड़ी है. So that was very, very kind. और अब आराम से डिनर यहाँ पर किया जा रहा है, right, Carrie? Yeah.
And it's yummy.
And it's yummy. Very light on the spice, very flavorful, right? So yes, this is a very, very different kind of evening that we had not even remotely imagined about. Yes. ये बड़ा ही pleasant surprise रहा है. So अभी we'll just go into the rooms and show you. They were very kind. They weren't even charging anything, but of course that's not how it works. If you're yes, right. If you're availing any service, and we're even having their food, so we will definitely, you know,
Pay. If they don't take it, then
we'll definitely donate
some
it.
money
Yes,
in the
exactly.
donation box for
बिल्कुल
the
नहीं तो पैसे
monastery.
चढ़ाए जाएंगे. The right way to do things, of course. So yes.
And we wash our utensils too.
Yes, of course. Washing the utensils, that's a must. That's the least amount of courtesy that we can show. So ये सब है. बहुत ही अलग experience है. Let me show you the courtyard of the monastery over here. It's dead quiet. You can only hear the wind. It's eerie quiet, in fact, but the place is so holy, तो ज़्यादा कोई tension है नहीं. There's the courtyard. So yeah, we'll just show you around very shortly. Cheers.
बस clip लेना है.
खिड़की के बाहर ले जाऊँ क्या मैंने monastery दिखा? No.
नहीं ये kitchen.
जगह कोई भी हो, regime और routine का कोई compromise नहीं है. Right, Carrie?
Hygiene.
Hygiene, of course. Yes.
बहुत सुंदर है. It's like a drawing room. बहुत सारे सोफे लगे हुए हैं.
Yes. It's all dark. I'm sure I can't show you anything right now. What's the shot? No, I can't. Going into the kitchen.
See how dark it is, but still just
It's very comfortable.
very comfortable.
Into the kitchen again. So यहाँ पर already brush and toothpaste पड़े हैं. दंत कांति की जय हो.
Yeah.
So already यहाँ पर these people use this area for brushing.
Yeah.
So we are just following suit.
Exactly.
And अभी खाना खाकर हटे हैं वहाँ से. बर्तन धोकर यहाँ पर रख दिए गए हैं. So that was nice. पानी काफ़ी सारा है here and here. So we're good to go. It's time to shik. Yeah.
Shaksha.
Yeah. Nice.
So we are all by ourselves here. It is so quiet,
I know.
but still we are not scared at all because of course this is a
Of
holy
course.
place.
This is a very holy place.
Yeah.
All alone, by ourselves, spending the night here at Stongde Gompa.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Never thought that we'll get to experience this, but what an
Yes.
experience. Wow. We can even see the night sky from here.
Yeah, may not be very evident from the camera, but yes, it's going to be a lovely experience. It's so quiet, just us and the sounds of the wind and holy lamps going on.